students, last class see the what topic you know? Phonics. What is means phonics? The same sound. So different spelling is there but sound is same. Some examples, what? Angel. So here what is a long sound? A is a angel. A is a long sound. That is last class see that. Today is a new topic. What is today learn for in a new topic? What topic mean? Today learn the noun. The topic is noun. What is mean noun? Noun means name of the people, birds, animals, place and things. It is denoted what? Place, things, animals, name of the peoples. These all are denote the nouns. The nouns are two types. Nouns are how many types? That's are two types is there. The first one is proper noun. First one is proper noun. The second one is common noun. Nouns two types is the first one is proper noun, another one is common noun. What is mean proper noun? Particularly you say any things, name of the people, place, then animals, you particularly you specific you say, that is called in a proper noun. Common you generally say the names using, that is not name, that is animals, place, the things. These all are does not in a specific, you could say commonly, that is called in a common noun. Now see the some examples of proper noun and common noun. Okay, so the one examples in your class are many students is there. That students is there. The students are two, boy and girl. The boy is a common name, but I tell one boy name, that is a common, that is a proper noun. Boy is a common noun. So all it is denote all the boys. But what is mean proper noun? Any boy name is I tell, that is called in a proper noun. What is any example? For Raja. Here in a classmate is the Raja is there. That is called in a proper noun. So that boy is still, that is called in a common noun. Some same thing, girls also in your classroom. Girls is a common noun. Girls. Then some I say any person name, any girl name, send it, so tell it, that is a proper noun. Revati, that is called in a proper noun. This is a proper noun and common noun. Now see the some examples of proper noun and common noun. Okay. So first proper noun, then another one is what? Common noun. Example, the river. First say the river. Ganga is the river, you know. So write in a Ganga. Ganga is a river, is a common name. Many types of river is there. Ganga, Godavari, Krishna, these all one called in a river. But specific, you would say that is called in a proper noun. Okay. So that is a common noun. Related to common noun is what? River. Then another one clue word is the identify the proper noun. Proper noun, most of the word first is in a capital letter. Proper noun, just one clue is what? Most of the first letter it always a capital letter. Then name of the people already I told. Everyone you write in your name, first letter write in a capital letter. Yes or no? There is some example. Raja. Okay. Then Kani. Then Rani. So every name of the people, name of the person name you write within a capital letter alone. So that is clue for in a proper noun. Okay, then next one is Ganga. Ganga is a one river name that is specific, you say, that is called in a proper noun. River is a common noun. The next one is Africa. The Asia. Asia is a what? Seven continent is there. That is one of the Asia. The continent is there. That is called in a common noun. But seven is that is seven continent is there. But specific you say in a Asia. So that is called in a what? Proper noun. There. So another one example also is there. Then any other example you know? Any other proper noun, common noun is you know? So I say Jasmine. Jasmine is a common noun or proper noun? What? Yes, Jasmine is a proper noun. Then what is common name for in a jasmine? Jasmine is a flower. So that is called in a common noun for is flower. You know J is a capital letter. Okay. So then everyone you like in a playing. So the sports is a play. Everyone like in a games. So you write the games come within a proper noun or common noun? Yes, come within a common. Why? Games means different types of is there. So that is right in a common noun. So I write here what? Games. Then any one game only you write here, that is proper noun. Everyone like in a what game? Some other chess, cricket, volleyball, football, everyone you like. I write some example only. Chess. Chess is a proper noun for this one. Okay. The same example also, some examples I give, some clues also given. You do it. Okay. So now write the some words, that is you say, that is common noun or proper noun you say. Okay. So I write some words. First word is April. The second word is Africa. Okay. The third word is bus. Bus. The fourth word is country. The fifth word is dog. Okay. Now I give the 5 words. You say that is what? Noun. That is which one all are proper noun, which one all are common noun you say. Okay. So already example, name of the people, person, place, things all are called in a nouns. Specific is that is proper noun. Doesn't specific is that is common noun. Okay. So April is a what? April is a month. This called, so everyone commonly you say a month. So that is called in a what? Proper. That is called in a proper noun. Okay. Then Africa. Africa is called what? Continent. So that also what? Proper noun. Bus. Bus is a proper noun or common noun? Bus is a what? Common noun. Why? Different types of is there. Then so that is called in a what? Common noun. Everyone say used in a bus. Small bus. Then say omnibus. So that is different types of is there. So that is called in a common noun. Next one is country. Country is a what one? Country is a common. So specific you say India is in our country, then you say that is called in a proper noun. So that is common noun. Next one, dog. Dog is a proper noun or common noun? Dog also different types of is there. So that is called in a what? Common noun. Dog different varieties is there. So puppy, then some other kids so is there. So that is called in a common noun. Everyone you say your pet is dog. Your pet animal is dog. Everyone you say, come here dog. Anyone say no. Everyone give one name for in a dog. So that is called in a dog is a common name. Okay. So next I give some examples for proper noun and common noun. So that I give the table. So you directly write for in a which one is common noun, which one is the proper noun. You identify right in a notebook. Okay. The first one is example flower, jasmine. Then here you write what? What is the common name for jasmine? You write. Okay. Then next one is sports. Sorry, sports is a what? That is common name. Then write the one proper name, proper noun. Okay, va? Then earth. What is the common noun for in earth? You write. Okay. Then fourth one. Fourth one, what did you write? Monday. Then what is the common noun? You write. Okay, va? So April, May, June, July, August. These all one called in a month. So the common name is month. Then Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. These all are specific. You say that is called in a proper noun. The days is called in a common noun. Same thing. This you would also do it in your rough notebook. Okay. So the next sentence. Okay, everyone read the I write two sentences. Read the first sentence. 3 travelers came to the village. Give a what? 3 travelers came to the village. Next, what is the next sentence? Raja went to market. Raja went to where? Market. So that is sentence. Suppose I write market. So that is sentence, only one word. So 2 words or more than words joined it, that is called in a sentence. Already you know. Then today class what we see, the sentence are 2 parts is there. The sentence 2 parts is there. So that is today learn this class. Okay, what is the 2 part? Already everyone know this sentence. What is the 2 part? 2 part for the sentence. First one is naming part. One is naming part. The second one is telling part. Okay. What are the two group of the sentence? Naming part. Another one is telling part. Okay. So what is mean naming part? What is meaning telling part? So naming part means what is it says? Who is the sentence? Who are the sentence? Some examples for the what naming part means. The 3 travelers. Okay, travelers means in a naming word. So that is called in a naming part. Okay, we have give the sentence. Which one is the naming word that is called in a naming part? Then what is mean telling part? Telling part. What is the sentence about what we doing? That is called in a telling part. Okay, so the three travelers is here naming part. Here which one is the naming part? Raja. So Raja is a naming part. Okay, then telling part, which one is the came to the village. So the village is a what? The village is a what? Village is a one place name. So that also called in a what? Naming part. Okay. So that is called naming part. Okay. So village also called in a naming part. Next here, what is the telling part? Went to market. Okay. So that is in a naming part and telling part. Now I some examples given. You see and copy in your notebook. Okay. So I write some sentence. Everyone copy in your notebook. Now Veda filled it with water. Okay, the next one is woman open the door. Okay, so here you identify the naming part. Which one is the naming word? Here is the Veda. So that is called the naming part. So filled with water. That girl doing one work. So that is called in a telling part. Okay, so that is called the telling for this sentence. Next one, a woman opened the door. Which one is the naming word here? A woman. So that is called a naming word, naming part. Open the door. The guy and the woman action is what? Open the door. So that is called in a telling part. So this type of I give 5 sentences. So everyone do it in your homework. Okay. So what is the everyone do it in your rough notebook. So what is the 5 sentences? I write it. Everyone copy it. The first sentence is Binny walks to school. The next sentence is Harry likes to play football. The third one is Sheila drinks milk at night. So I give 3 sentences alone. So already one homework give for in a what? Before previous topic. So the both homework you do it. Okay. So here what did you do? Which one is the naming part in this sentence? Use for in a underline. Naming part using the underline. Which one is the telling part in this sentence? You circulate. Okay, what did you do? Which one is the naming part? This you underline it. Then which one is the telling part? You circulate the words. Okay. So do the homework for in a rough note. Everyone understand for this today class? What we see today? So first one is see the noun proper nouns, two types are there. One is proper noun, another one is common noun. Then see the some examples. Then next what is sentence? What are the two types, two part of the sentence? Naming part, another one is telling part. How to identify the naming part and telling part. So everyone do the homework for in a rough note. Okay. So thank you students.